Since the days of Queen Victoria, the royal train has been a rolling symbol of power, elegance, and British tradition. But what does the modern royal train look like today? Who still uses it? And why is King Charles III planning to retire it for good? All aboard as we take a nostalgic and fascinating journey into the story of the modern British royal train. Queen Victoria first rode the rails in 1842, becoming the first monarch in history to travel by train. She was reportedly nervous at first, but soon came to love the speed and comfort. Over the decades, the royal train evolved, with each monarch commissioning new and increasingly luxurious carriages to suit their needs. By the early 20th century, it had become a literal palace on wheels, fitted with bedrooms, saloons, and even a bath. During the Second World War, it was discreetly armoured, allowing George VI and Queen Elizabeth to travel across bomb-damaged Britain in safety and secrecy. In 1977, to mark Queen Elizabeth II's Silver Jubilee, a brand new royal train was commissioned, one that remains in service today. Built using British Rail Mark III coaches and painted in a distinctive royal claret colour, this train blends function with understated elegance. The train comprises 9 carriages, including a dining coach, sleeping quarters, a lounge car, an office space, and accommodation for staff. The locomotives that pull it, usually Class 67 diesels, are now biofuel compatible, reflecting the royal family's growing focus on environmental sustainability. Far from being an opulent joyride, the royal train has always been a working environment. Queen Elizabeth II would often prepare speeches or correspondence during long journeys. Prince Charles, now King Charles III, was known to hold meetings and write official papers while travelling. In 2020, during the height of the COVID pandemic, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge undertook a morale-boosting tour of the UK aboard the royal train, one of the rare public uses in recent years. But the royal train has come under increasing scrutiny. In recent years, its usage has dropped dramatically. In 2024, it was used only twice, yet the cost of maintaining it stood at over £1.2 million. In keeping with his image as a modern, cost-conscious monarch, King Charles III has announced that the royal train will be formally retired by 2027. It's expected to be replaced by 2 environmentally friendly helicopters for official travel, offering greater flexibility and lower operational costs. The retirement of the royal train marks the end of an era. It represents more than just transportation. It symbolises a monarchy once defined by ceremony and spectacle, now shifting toward efficiency and pragmatism. But it will not be forgotten. Many hope the carriages will find a home in a museum or royal heritage exhibition, so future generations can see how British royalty once travelled across their realm. Not by motorcade or jet, but by the rails that built the nation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history and modernity aboard the royal train. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like, share it with fellow railway or royal history fans, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating stories from Britain's past and present.